Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for my FabFitFun Spring 2023 unboxing. So let's just go ahead and get right into this box. It's super cute for FabFitFun's birthday. See lots of birthday cake. And right on top, it's a FabFitFun scratch game. You're supposed to match four of the same slices of cake in a row to win. Spoiler alert, I did not win. But it was fun to scratch off and see if I could. And there's also an insert stating that the usual FabFitFun magazine has now gone digital. So we'll just go ahead and get right into these items. And the first thing out of the box was from category 1, and that was the red light therapy for your eye area. And that's from Lumina. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I've never tried anything like this before. I do tend to get puffy around the eyes, especially when I have a lack of sleep, so I'm wondering if this will help with that. But I'm definitely looking forward to trying it out. It's something new to my arsenal, and I want to see if it really does help with fine lines and the like. The next thing I picked was like a practical pick. It's winter, it's cold. I've been shoving my feet in boots for the last few months. I could definitely use with some foot care. So we've got a heel treatment and a foot sander type thing. Foot file, is that what they're called? I think so. And it's not like one of those like aggressive looking cheese grater ones. This one just has some slightly raised ridges. And then it's got just a texture on the back side. And I'll see if I can get in here just so we can take a closer look at that texture. Which is easier said than done because packaging can be rough for me. Sometimes I feel like they glue it shut with super glue. Bear with me while I wrestle my way into it. Here we go. Okay, yeah, so it's definitely a really like textured, almost tacky surface, and I can see that that would really be effective in filing feet. So I really look forward to trying that. It's smaller than I thought it would be, which is actually good because I was worried that it might be a little big and unwieldy. Next out is an eyeliner. When in doubt, always choose eyeliner. This one is from Too Faced, and I've heard really good things about it, so I was really looking forward to giving it a try. I always have about 5 eyeliners going at once in my purse, at home, at my desk, so always looking forward to trying a new one. And this right here is a thickening serum for hair. I don't know, it's because because I pull my hair up in a bun so often at work, but I really notice thinning on the sides of my head, so I'm going to give this a try. I'd really like to see if it helps with that issue. Next, I picked a shower gel. I just wasn't sure about this category, but I know that I always use shower gel, and I know I like this brand, and I've used their lotions and stuff before, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's a Dead Sea Mineral shower gel, and that sounded like it would be right up my alley in terms of scent. So I will definitely be giving this a try. And then the last item were just these plates. They're actually, I like them better in person than I did on the website. They've got a really pretty print to them, and they have a nice raised lip on the plate that kind of comes up about an inch, which is really nice for like sauces or like if you have fruit or something that you don't want to roll off the end of the plate. It's just really convenient. I'll be using those a lot this summer. So I'll just lay everything back out. We'll take one final look. Got that hair serum, the eyeliner, we have the foot file and the foot cream. I really like this box. There was just a lot of actually useful things. Things I know I'll use up within the next couple of months. That's my favorite, things I can use. Well, thank you so much again for stopping by to watch my unboxing video. If you like this kind of video, please follow, like, and subscribe.